We talk about how can you fix this problem on your Blockcraft 3D app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then come to apps this here, and there you're looking for Blockcraft 3D app, or just click on search. Then here add Blockcraft 3D, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this here, click on for stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage this here, you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for Blockcraft 3D, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.